So today we're gonna be teaching you how to make cereal. I'm using
gay, period. I'm not gay. I'm not a girl. I'm a boy.
Okay, so today I'm using cotton candy crunch, and Sean's using
not even regular Crunch Berries. Not even
that's
real
not regular.
Not even real Crunch Berries.
That's not
regular Captain Crunch Berries. You cannot go wrong with these at all. Okay.
I mean, this caramel on the back. Okay, anyway, so first you're gonna get you a bowl.
What the freak is this?
Bowl.
Is this frozen milk? Okay, I'm not using those bowls. I'm gonna use my special bowl. Where are you?
Oh yeah.
My special Frosted Flakes bowl, I think. It's sad because I have a Frosted Flakes bowl and I don't even eat Frosted Flakes that much anymore. I eat Crunch Berries and Crunch Berries only. I'm addicted to that cereal. Well, not addicted to the point where I eat it like 5 times a day. No.
Well,
I eat it every day, like at least twice or 3 times a day.
Okay, so first
No, twice a day.
you get you
In the morning and when I get home from school.
in the morning.
Fresh bowl.
Alright. So you take this
Now,
one.
I heard about the coronavirus and they was talking about the coronavirus at school, so I'm using the hand sanitizer. Matter of fact, no, I need a napkin because hand sanitizer is dirty too. There's germs all over the bottle that people touch, mad people touch. So, wipe this off or use this, then use this. Gotta stay healthy, kids. Be safe than sorry. I'm not trying to die of coronavirus at age 11, okay? Okay, so my hands are all nice and clean and has nutrients now, and I have a less chance of getting coronavirus. By the way, fun facts. Did you know that coronavirus is in the air? Like it's airborne? If there's somebody if you're friends with somebody who has the coronavirus, stay far away from them. Because when they talk to you, the air that they breathe is going towards you and you're gonna catch it. So you don't want the coronavirus in the room. So, oh yeah, how can I forget? Plastic milk. Boom, shakalaka. Milk. You can never go wrong with it. That smells like carnival. It smells like carnival.
Supposed to.
Okay, I'm gonna edit this video too, by the way, so yeah. If I is there Viva video in here?
No,
I'm gonna have to download it to edit the video and post
So we're
it on
gonna take
YouTube.
some, Sean, your way behind. We're gonna take some milk, put the spoon on top of the cereal.
Wait, there's somebody talking.
That's the news.
No, the voice. The voice that's gonna be edited in the video, I can hear it. It's telling us to shut up.
How about you?
Alright.
How dare
That's
you?
enough of you talking.
Yeah, you're supposed to be editing this video, not talking to us.
We get that you're the editor, okay? We get it. Whatever.
Yeah, we know.
So rude. Alright.
I can edit my own videos. Alright, then leave. Bye.
April Fool's is not even here yet, dummy.
It's not even March.
Okay, you don't care. Stealing my phrase. Talking about do it look good idea, do it look good idea, but don't steal my phrase.
But didn't she steal that?
Okay, so I'm always have preparation. So I'm always prepared for when I want more Crunch Berries. So this is a decent amount of Crunch Berries.
What do you mean decent?
So if I ever want more, I always keep the box right next to me. So when I want more, I don't have to I don't have to go up there. I can just grab it right next to me. No sniper with a video. Shai, do you think you're gonna want more?
No, I don't really eat as much as you. Alright, you're done. You're done.
Now it's trying to grab me some milk.
Yeah, you're behind.
And I don't know about you guys, but when I eat cereal, I watch YouTube videos on my phone. So, yeah, if I'm not paying that much attention to the camera that more when I'm eating, is because I'm doing that. I'm watching YouTube videos on my phone. So, peace out.
Bye.